Keep going.
Oh!
Yeah, mine's very strong.
Faster, you have to do it faster. Faster.
Down a bit. That's the funny part.
Okay, let's try again. So,
Yeah.
all to the back and then to the forward. Pull the trigger.
That one or that?
No, that one. Okay, now you.
Okay,
Give me your
finally I
hand. Give
did
me your
it.
hand. I'm gonna show you. Okay, pull the trigger. Now you're.
Okay.
Okay, pull the trigger. Yeah.
Oh, finally I got it. But
Again.
I'm gonna test if it goes to the roof.
Again. Quickly. Yeah, quick.
Oh!
Did you see that?
I get it now.
You have to do it quick. Very quick.
Alright. Okay, let's keep the recording on.
Okay.
Because we've got to get everything and we can't miss a thing.
Okay, do it again.
Is it there?
Yeah. Quickly. Remember.
Wait! Before, actually, ignore all my last words except keep the good ones. What I'm saying is, let's start. Double checking. Yep. Have you got all yours?
Yeah.
Yep. I've got to let go of one. Give me a sec. Alright. Let's start, and I'll go on the other side because of reasons.
Are you sure that you want to use this one?
And we can
Because
move
it's
around.
harder to use?
This one, if it looks bigger, it looks cooler, so this one I want to use, okay? You pick up yours, and I'll keep the big one, and let's start. But we have to have a countdown.
But
Don't shoot me yet. If you've shot me with a Nerf gun, then pick up the bullet unless they're all in there. Are the bullets are all in there?
9?
The bullets are in
6.
there. That's all an explanation.
Are you
Okay.
sure that do you want
Pop
to
up.
try again?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't want to use it. Well, you've literally just seen me do it.
Yeah, but you want to try again with this one?
Yeah. We can do that in the game.
Okay.
Nerf's supposed to be about shooting.
Okay.
So how about you hop up, and I stand here, and I stand on the opposite. Oh, I did it. All right, that's 1-1.
No, faster. Forward and back.
What?
Okay, try it again. Okay, good.
Oh, I shot on the floor.
Don't worry.
I wasted one of
Yeah,
mine.
okay, try to do it. 1, 2, 3.
I've got to do it faster.
Yeah.
Continuing in. Yeah. All right. That's.
You got it?
You've got 2 and I've got. I think I've got 1 and you've got 2. I'm ready. Oh, you missed me like by a hair. You've got to be in the video. Go in front of the video. Because you got my shirt.
Oh!
That's 3-1. What? How did it fall down?
Oh!
Oh, I got you right there.
Oh!
I think you're 2 points
Oh, I
ahead.
have more bullets. Oh, what happened? No, push the thing because the bullets are up.
Okay. Yeah, you pick up yours and I'll pick up mine. And I think we keep doing the game.
Okay, you got it? How to use the gun? Yes? Or no?
Wait. There's two I don't have, but that's okay. That's fine.
I'm gonna record it.
Yeah, you record as well. Oh. I'm guessing you have two ahead of me. I'm guessing you have three ahead. Oh wow, you're fast.
Oh, I don't have more bullets.
Anyway, we'll still count that. That will count.
Oh!
Yeah, mine's very strong.
Faster, you have to do it faster. Faster.
Down a bit. But that one couldn't even reach you.
Oh! Good, good. I killed you! Oh, in my face!
Got her.
I'm charging.
I'm trying to use. Let's just say it was a tie because we're only like, I'm only like somewhere from 3 to 7 down.
I have an idea.
Although we have been playing for a long time, so I will hopefully make this into a hopefully good editing.
I have an idea.
Yeah.
Maybe we can play without stopping. So when your bullets are over, you can just pick up the bullets in the floor and charge your gun all the time. Like,
Anyway, I think that's a lot of recording. Let's.
you shot me in my face.
Let's.
In my face.
I didn't mean to. Yeah, I shot. And it's a lot. Just double checking.